ASTM A193, A193M, B8M, stainless steel 316 or 316L material. SS316L material, ASTM A193 grade B8M class 1, class 2 is a standard material specification for corrosion resistance. 316 stainless steel fasteners such as bolts, screws, studs, threaded rods and other externally threaded parts for use in high tensile, high temperature and special purpose applications such as pressure piping and pressure vessel boiling. Chemical properties: carbon 0.08 maximum, manganese up to 2%, phosphorus up to 0.045%, sulfur 0.030%, silicon 1.0%, chromium between 16 to 18%, nickel 10 to 14%, and molybdenum, that is moly, is between 2 to 3%. Physical properties are as per table. Heat treatment: Class 1, heating at 1050 degrees centigrade for 60 to 90 minutes and then carbide solution treatment. Class 2, carbide solution treatment and stain hardening. Applications: Common uses for type 316 stainless steel include in the construction of exhaust manifolds, furnace parts, heat exchangers, jet engine parts, pharmaceutical and photographic equipment, valve and pump parts, chemical processing equipment, tanks and evaporators. Thank you.